Welcome to Aqua Adventures. Dive into the wonders of the ocean where its secrets come to life. Get ready to plunge into an exciting exploration of the deep blue today. The ocean is alive with motion. Beneath the surface, a powerful force drives currents around the globe. This is the ocean conveyor belt, a vast system of circulation. Its scientific name is thermohaline circulation, driven by heat, thermo, and salt, haline. It distributes heat, nutrients, and gases throughout the ocean, a lifeline for our planet. The journey begins in tropical regions. Warm waters flow towards the poles, evaporating and increasing salinity. In the North Atlantic, the water cools and sinks. Cold, dense water flows south, deep beneath the surface, rising again in the Pacific and Indian Oceans, supporting marine life. The ocean conveyor belt plays a critical role in regulating Earth's climate. It transports vast amounts of heat from the tropics towards the poles. This heat transfer helps to moderate temperatures around the world. Without the ocean conveyor belt, the tropics would be much hotter and the poles much colder. The conveyor belt's influence extends beyond temperature. The upwelling of cold, nutrient-rich water in certain regions supports an abundance of marine life. Phytoplankton, the base of the ocean food chain, thrive in these nutrient-rich waters. They, in turn, support a complex web of creatures from tiny zooplankton to large whales. The ocean conveyor belt also plays a vital role in the global carbon cycle. As surface waters absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, the conveyor belt carries it into the deep ocean. This process helps to regulate atmospheric carbon dioxide levels, a crucial factor in mitigating climate change. The ocean's circulation is a delicate balance. Disruptions to this balance can have far-reaching consequences. The ocean conveyor belt is a powerful force in shaping global climate patterns. Its influence is particularly noticeable in the North Atlantic region. The warm northward flow of the Gulf Stream, part of the conveyor belt, moderates temperatures in Western Europe. This warm current brings mild winters and allows for agriculture in regions that would otherwise be much colder. The conveyor belt's influence extends beyond temperature. It also affects precipitation patterns. The warm, moist air associated with the Gulf Stream contributes to rainfall in Western Europe. Disruptions to the ocean conveyor belt can have significant regional and global climate impacts. A slowdown or shutdown of the conveyor belt could lead to colder temperatures in the North Atlantic, particularly in Western Europe. This could result in harsher winters, shorter growing seasons, and altered precipitation patterns. Section 4, Ecosystems at Risk, a web of interdependence. The ocean conveyor belt is a lifeline for marine ecosystems around the world. Its influence on nutrient distribution and water temperature shapes the distribution and abundance of marine life. Disruptions to the conveyor belt can have cascading effects throughout the food web. For instance, the upwelling of cold, nutrient-rich water in certain regions supports massive populations of phytoplankton. These microscopic algae form the base of the food chain, sustaining a diverse array of creatures from zooplankton to fish to whales. A slowdown or shift in the conveyor belt could disrupt these upwelling zones, leading to a decline in phytoplankton and a ripple effect throughout the ecosystem. Changes in water temperature due to conveyor belt disruptions can also impact marine species. Many marine organisms, including fish, have specific temperature tolerances. Shifts in water temperature can affect their distribution, abundance, and reproductive success. Coral reefs, incredibly diverse ecosystems, are particularly vulnerable to even small changes in water temperature. Section 5. The threat of disruption, a warming world. The ocean conveyor belt is highly sensitive to climate change. Changes in temperature and salinity impact it significantly. Melting glaciers and ice sheets add fresh water to the ocean. Rising global temperatures accelerate this process. Greenland and Antarctica are melting rapidly. Freshwater influx disrupts the North Atlantic's balance. Fresher water is less dense, reducing sinking. This can slow or disrupt the conveyor belt. Scientists monitor these changes closely. Section 6. A call to action, our shared responsibility. The ocean conveyor belt regulates Earth's climate and supports marine ecosystems. This system is under threat from human-caused climate change. Melting glaciers disrupt the conveyor belt's circulation. The time to act is now. We must reduce greenhouse gas emissions to protect the ocean conveyor belt. This requires a global effort for a sustainable future. By reducing fossil fuels and investing in renewable energy, we can create a healthier planet for future generations. Let us act with urgency to protect the ocean and ensure a sustainable future for all. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the dive, please like, comment and subscribe for more ocean adventures.